Puji syukur kehadirat Tuhan Yang Maha Esa, kita dapat hadir dalam acara seminar ilmiah di ruang Serbaguna FK Undip hari Minggu 28 September 2025.
Dan dengan mengucapkan Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, acara Symposium Guest Lecture Skullbase Tumor, Pituitary Adenoma, and Meningioma dalam rangka Diasnataris Fakultas Kedokteran Universitas Diponegoro ke-64 saya nyatakan resmi dibuka.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hitoshi Yamahata. I'm from Kagoshima, Japan. I am working at Kagoshima University Hospital. I am responsible for the spine and skull base and cerebrovascular disease. Thank you for inviting us for this special and exciting event. I stayed several days in Indonesia. Everybody treat us kindly. I'm very appreciated. I'm very surprised at the Indonesians medical level. Very so high, and they are treating big tumor, a difficulty case, but they every day, all night, all day long, they are working very hard. I'm very surprised. I am very impressed with their working style. And this event, I learned a lot of things, and very exciting. I hope this connection between the Indonesia and Japan will continue to next year, year by year. Thank you very much for inviting us again.
Saya Surya Pratama, PPDS Bedah Saraf dari Fakultas Kedokteran Universitas Selangga, RSUD Sutomo. Kesan-pesan mengikuti kegiatan hari ini sangat baik. Terus dari kemarin kita mengikuti kegiatan lab surgery, kita banyak mendapatkan wawasan, insight dari berbagai macam dokter. Lalu untuk hari ini kita juga dapat banyak materi, banyak pengalaman. Harapannya nanti akan bermanfaat bagi kami untuk praktek ke depannya.
Skullbase Tumor?
FK Undip bermanfaat. FK Undip bermanfaat. Undip, jaya, jaya, juara. Terima kasih.